There are many speculations about Ayurveda. Some may believe in Ayurveda and others may not. Some even say that Ayurveda is a pseudoscience. So let's clear this air. Today we have Dr. Namitha Suseel, Chief Medical Officer, Dheemahi Ayurvedic Village with us to discuss about insights of Ayurveda and its principles and how effective it in treating diseases and how to apply it in your daily life. So basically, what is Ayurveda?
Ayurveda is the science of life. The word Ayur means life and Veda means knowledge. So it is the knowledge about life. Ayurveda is the Upaveda of Atharva Veda. There are 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharva Veda. So Ayurveda is the Upaveda of Atharva Veda. All the Vedas, they are written in Sanskrit, and that too as verses, slogas. Even if you see Ayurveda also follows that same pattern. Ayurveda was compiled at around 1500 BC. So from 1500 BC till now, all the principles of Ayurveda stay strong and relevant. There is a verse which goes like this: Ayuhu kamayamanena dharmartha sukhasadhanam ayurvedopadesheshu vidheyaha paramadaraha. That means if you want to live a very fulfilling life and attain Purushartha, you have to abide by the principles of Ayurveda. Purushartha means dharma, artha, kama and moksha. That means you have to live a dharmic life and attain wealth and fulfill your desires. You can attain wealth and fulfill your desires, but it should be in a dharmic way. And after that, finally you attain moksha or salvation. So to attain all these things, what you need? You need health. So to have a very healthy life, you need to follow the principles of Ayurveda.
What are the fundamental principles of Ayurveda?
Ayurveda is based on 2 Siddhantas mainly. One is the Panchabhuta Siddhanta and the other is Tridosha Siddhanta. So Panchabhuta Siddhanta means everything in this universe, we living beings, humans and any living creatures or any matter in this universe is created with 5 cosmic elements. They are Prithvi, Up, Tej, Vayu and Akasha. Prithvi means earth, Up means water, Tej, fire, Vayu, air, Akasha, space. So anything and everything you see in this universe is a combination of these 5 cosmic elements. So all these 5 elements combine in different ratio to form different matter. So this ratio in each elements, it will be different. Sometimes the Prithvi Bhuta will be more, in some elements the Jala Bhuta will be more. According to that, its characteristics are determined. So same happens in human beings also. Yat pinde tat brahmande. What is in the pinda, the same is in the brahmanda. That is, what is in us human beings, what is in our body, the same is seen in the universe. And vice versa, whatever we see in the universe is present inside us. We ourselves are a miniature form of this universe. Okay. So this is the basic principles, the Panchabhuta Siddhanta. So the first one is Prithvi or earth. It gives structure and stability. The Jala Bhuta, the water, it brings fluidity and cohesion. Then the fire is responsible for transformation. Air is movement. Anything which needs movement is controlled by air. And the last one is Akasha, space. It gives room for expansion. So in our body, the bone, muscles, tissues, everything is predominated by earth element. The plasma, all the liquid things, those are predominated by Jala Bhuta, that's the water element. Then comes the fire element. It is responsible for transformation. So digestion, metabolism, all these things are controlled by the fire element. Then Vayu, which is the air element. It controls the movement in our body. So all the impulses, the nervous system, all these things, then the joint movement, all the movements is controlled by Vayu Bhuta. And lastly, Akasha Bhuta, it is that space. So all the cavities in our body, and the space inside the cells. All these things are predominated by Agashabhuta. So basically, in anything and everything, there is a combination of these five bhutas in specific ratios. So Agashabhuta gives the space for development, Vayu gives motility, then the fire or Agni Bhuta produces transformation, and the Jala Bhuta gives cohesion. And finally, the earth or Prithvi Bhuta gives stability and structure, and thus a life is created. So this is the basics of Panchabhuta Siddhanta.
Okay.
And now the next one is Tridosha Siddhanta. So in Tridosha Siddhanta, our body is controlled by three functional units, namely Vata, Pitta and Kapha. This Vata, Pitta and Kapha is again made up of the Panchabhutas. So Vata, that is the wind energy in our body, it is created by the combination of Agasha and Vayu Bhuta. Next is Pitta. It is created by the fire and water element. That is a very interesting combination,
yes,
because they are opposite.
Yeah.
Water and fire is coming together and it is creating Pitta. Last is Kapha. It is a combination of earth and water element. So these are the three functional units of life known as dosha. So when these doshas are in a balanced state, that results in health, and when they get imbalanced, that causes disease.
Okay.